how close they're getting to it, bro. They're like slowing down and getting real close. Look at this shit. Whoa! What just happened?
Now, is LA lighting up or what? All kinds of UFO sightings, unprecedented, happening over the past week over Los Angeles. And boy, it's been a quite amazing ride going on right here. It's bringing back a lot of memories in regards to Los Angeles Sheriff Department helicopters surrounding a UFO. And let me tell you, we're trying to get in touch with the Sheriff Department over there in West Covina. No response back from the department. We've left messages asking anybody over there if they know anything what happened on August 28th over there. The LA Sheriff Department clearly was up there in the skies surveying some kind of sphere up in the sky, some large metallic object. But again, this is recalling memories of a UFO sighting that happened in an area very close to West Covina, Los Angeles, California, Hollywood. Mitchell Lubin captured an incredible event 2012, July 8th, and we did an interview with the gang over there. They were all there present in this huge event that went down, and they captured something amazing. Here's the incredible interview, and be sure you stick around to take a look at this Sheriff's Department helicopter actually merge with this anomaly in the sky. What was it, people? I want to get your comments below and keep your eyes on the skies. Blake Cousins, we'll see you real soon. Here's the interview.
With the boys who caught that amazing footage just 2 days ago of UFOs over the Hollywood, LA area at night.
Over like midtown.
You see those UFOs over Hollywood?
Thanks for joining us here at Third Phase of Moon, guys. Mitchell.
Nice to join us. Thanks for having us.
All right, this video is going viral right now, and it's almost up to 60,000 hits. Mitchell, tell me what you saw and what you're experiencing when you saw these amazing lights in the sky.
Amazing lights in the sky. You know, we saw lights in the sky, and my first reaction was to grab a camera, because that's kind of my reaction to always doing something, is grabbing a camera. And I shot it, and at first, you know, lights in the sky, you see lights in the sky all the time, but, you know, Steve's throwing out, oh, energy, UFO, and then, you know, stuff starts to click, and it just looks weird when lights are just rising out the ground, you know, into the sky and disappear. So we just filmed it.
Hey, one of the most amazing scenes in the video is when somebody calls out, that helicopter's gonna follow that UFO, and it turns out it really does.
Boom!
Alright, here we go. Helicopter's heading over there.
All we know is that orb of energy is still there, bro. It's still chilling.
We're about to find out what it is.
It's really close. Oh shit.
Oh, he's like on it, man.
What? Look, he's turning. They're turning, bro. They're circling it.
Oh.
Bro, they're circling it. Dude, no way.
Look at them moving.
Is that another one? It's very small.
Yeah. They're circling it, bro. It's going right by it. You see that?
If you saw what we saw like in person, like, okay, I could see, you know, on video maybe like people are like Chinese lanterns, but honestly, like in real life, and everyone that commented all around Hollywood, we all saw like these things were huge, like they were big, like they were nearly the size of the helicopter, and the light that you could see like in person, it was giving off, was like intense, like, you know, it was. That's why I was like energy, because it was like pulsing. Like,
at one point in the video was when the UFO and the helicopter seemed like they merged for a second, or the helicopter got so close, it was scared what it saw and just immediately took off. Is this correct?
Dude, they're getting closer.
What if
Dude, look how close they're getting to it, bro. They're like slowing down and getting real close. Look at this shit. Whoa! What just happened?
There it is, just smaller.
Where's that? The helicopter's taking off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, you guys saw. Like, I mean, it literally it like crept up. It was going around it pretty like at a good speed. But when it starts to creep up, you guys could tell that it's going slower than it was before. And the moment it got right by it, it takes off.
It just
Takes
leaves
off,
fast as hell, all the way down.
Either got scared or got pushed away or something.
It saw something weird and just like, we gotta go. Or
Yeah, and it came back with backup. Like literally, they were there, like in that area all night long.
But when you saw the three particular lights, that's when it made a difference. The video really doesn't know justice. I think there was a YouTube comment, somebody commented saying that they were at a party and the DJ stopped the music and told the partygoers that to look up into the sky. And everybody gazed up at the stars for like 5 minutes and then the party continued or whatever. So other people saw it too from different parts of
That's what's like really saving this, because a lot of people around here saw it too, and they were hoping that someone caught it on tape. And if you see the comments, they're like thanking us because they saw it as well and they wanted it to be caught on tape, and we just so happened to have front row seats. So
Absolutely fantastic. You know, just keeping an eye on the sky no matter where you are and having your camera ready. That's what it's all about, capturing these amazing lights. And LA is really right now a hot spot for UFO activity. It's amazing. If anybody out there has captured UFO activity like these guys in Los Angeles, contact us at Third Phase of Moon. Hey guys out there, I really appreciate you sharing your amazing video with us.
Hey, no problem.
Appreciate it, dude. We appreciate it.
make sure everyone else sees it. We dream we live. Spread the word. Spread the word.
Spread the word. I mean,
They're out there.
they're here for a reason. You know,
The truth is out there. Don't let
find
people
out
tell
the
you.
reason.
I'm not trying to
Find
find
out.
out.
Fantastic. My name is Blake Cousins, and we'll see you again next time.
By popular demand, Paul Barrett is back with his third album, Third Phase of Moon, The Strangest Things. 12 brand new tracks, heard by millions, on your favorite channel, Third Phase of Moon. Available on iTunes, Amazon, and music streaming services. Paul Barrett's Third Phase of Moon, The Strangest Things. Available right now. Links are below.
We have a situation here. Control? 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 Control?
Keep your eyes on the skies. We're not alone.